Kia ora, I'm Narelle Huata and I am from Kahurangi New Zealand Maori Dance Theatre, and we're here as Maori Cultural Ambassadors to share our culture from the Maori people of New Zealand.
So one of the ones that I'm looking forward to is the haka. So we'll be teaching haka in a workshop, as well as we'll be trying to do the biggest haka on the sea, which is something that is yet to be done. So Majestic Princess is the first time for the world, so yeah, looking forward to that. So we'll be just touching base on what the haka means, where can you use the haka, and then also learning the actions and words to the most famous haka that's been made famous by the All Blacks. With the haka, it's most people think that it's associated with war, but in modern times it's more associated with a celebration, or to pick you up, pick the energy levels of your event up, whether it be a funeral, whether it be a birthday, or any other social events that you could potentially do a haka at. But it also still is used in this day and age as a challenge when you're going onto a sporting ground, so obviously hence why the All Blacks do it. Before they go and play other teams throughout the world. So what it looks like is they make gruesome facials, like open their eyes and poke their tongue out, and the tongue part of it is like the protrusion of your energy, and also relates to our god of war, which is Tūmatauenga. And also the eyes, it's pretty much to make yourself look like you're intimidating somebody, but also to show how much energy you're holding within yourself, or Maori, in a Maori word for energy or spiritual force.
Were traditionally used by the men to help prepare for the use of our Maori weapons, and they would use the poi as a ball on a string to help supple the wrist and flexibility, and they would swing it around. And in earlier days it was made out of flax and rock and raupo, and the rocks would help to weigh it down. Today the poi is mainly used by the women in terms of demonstrations, singing and dancing, and you'll see the poi being used by the women in different ways, making beats, creating dance actions and so forth. And so when the poi is short, it depicts the heartbeat of Papatūānuku. So it has a tempo and a beat that where you and then different beats. So it depicts the heartbeat of Earth Mother. For Kahurangi, we've been going for 35 years and doing what we do on the ship here throughout New Zealand, throughout the world, in schools. So this is like the next level.
I think for myself, support everything that Narelle said in terms of how prestigious this is for our company and our family. our dad would have been really proud of what we've achieved here. But second to that, also we're travelling on the waters that our ancestors did. So being here for the first time and standing on these waters is a huge deal for us to kind of finalise one of the connections that we haven't been able to make with our ancestors, and to be right in the middle of Te Moana Nui Akiwa, or the Pacific Ocean, is an honour. It is a real honour.